Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Floki Inu Floki daily update. We are going to see the next targets as we are approaching very important targets, and of course we have a very huge nice triangle in the lower time frames. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Floki. So Floki right here, triangle into the 1 hour frame. You can see the lower highs and the higher lows. Okay, eventually I'm going actually from this bottom so you can see it more clearly. This is not biased, do not worry about it. Okay, I'm just connecting these bottoms right here. This triangle could be the case of a bullish pennant or could be the case of a neutral triangle. And how would you know? Because we might be having a fake out to the downside and then we pump. It is very usual into the triangle patterns. Or we might be having a fake out to the upside and we go down. It is very usual in the neutral triangles or the bearish pennants. Right now, we do not have a bearish pennant. That is for sure because we are into an uptrend. But we might be having a neutral triangle, which means we have 50% chance to go up, 50% chance to go down. And these chances are decreasing or increasing depending on the risk that you're having in the daily frame, in the 4 hour frame, and so on and so on. Right now, unfortunately, the risk of having a neutral triangle is a little bit increased. However, I'm going back to the 1 hour frame. I'm going to give you the exact targets. Do not worry about that, okay? As long as you have Mind Your Crypto, you do not have to worry about anything into the targets. So, we are having the first one, which is the 0.40s 50 25 42. And you will ask me, Bill, this is far away from the bottom trend line, right? Yes, it is. However, if we go down and we do not lose this line, do not think that Floki is bearish. We might be having a fake out towards this line and then we pump. However, though, if we lose this line, then Floki Inu is bearish. Okay, so losing this line, closing below, even in the 1 hour frame, it is enough, but closing below in the 4 hour frame, it is better. Then you need to run. Okay, you need to run because we will go towards the next target, which is the 0.40s 41 35 62. And from where we are right now, this is a correction of a minus 27%. And from this line right here, a correction of a minus 17%. If we close below, I think that you need to take profits or exit if you have bought higher. Okay, if we close below this line. Now, what happens if this is a bullish pennant? What are the targets that we need to pay attention to? I'm going to remove the drawings. I'm going to draw a very quick short-term Fibonacci retracement. If we can close above this line right here, again, even on the 1 hour frame, the 0.4063 48, then Floki is going to go all the way up to the 0.4073 56 90. From where we are right now, this is a nice pump of around plus 27%, and from here, it is a nice plus 16% profit target. So you have the exact targets for the short term, where to go long, where to go short, and if you want to use these lines as stop losses or take profits in general. What happens in the next days for Floki? So what are we going to do right here? The worst part actually is that we are going to face a bearish RSI divergence. Now, if it is going to be a triple bearish RSI, because we might be having something like this, okay, and then we fall down. That means that we are going to have a higher high in the price, right? I do not know about that. However, when you have this kind of risk right there, the best thing to do, it is a little bit to be careful. Right now, you can see that I'm going to be drawing the fib from the top to the bottom. We have gone and managed to go into the 0.618. Oh, okay, sorry about that. 0.618, this line right here, okay, 0.40668, around there, to 67. Now, getting above and closing above in the daily frame, okay, will get us all the way up to the 0.30137. If you remember, we talked about that this will be the second target of the Floki if we close above here. And we managed to do that, right? Okay, so the second target was achieved in our previous updates, and congratulations for everyone that took profits based on the videos. However, right now we haven't closed above the 0.406681 yet. Closing above will get us all the way up to the next targets in the daily frame, right? Before we talked about the 1 hour frame, the 4 hour frame, now we are talking about the daily frame. This is why the price target is higher, and this is why you can take more profits. Okay, so we have these kind of situations right there. I think that the best thing that you can do right here, it is to wait a little bit, check the targets for the short term. This could be a neutral triangle. If it is, then be careful. Okay, we might be having a correction. If it is not, we are going higher into the 1 hour time frame, and in the daily frame right here we need to close above. Very important target ahead, and of course if we close above, we can go into an impulsive wave mode. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.